This is a polling booth, a sight that is all too familiar to voters. This is where voters cast the all-important vote, where the fate of the state is decided. It is a simple setup, but despite how it looks, there is a lot of work that goes behind setting up such booths across the state during election time. As per norms set by Election Commission of India, a polling booth should not be more than 2 kilometers away from a voter's residence. This means that booths need to be set up in every location that has eligible voters. During the last election in Assam, 28,205 polling booths were set up. This year, the number went up to 33,530 due to the pandemic. Auxiliary polling stations had to be set up everywhere that had more than 1,000 voters. The sheer number of polling booths all across the state is definitely noteworthy, but what is really astounding is that identifying the locations is just the beginning. Polling officials have to travel to the remotest locations to reach every last voter in the state. Some locations don't even have motorable roads. Traveling on foot, wading through water, and using all means possible, officials bring polling booths closer to the voters. This year, polling officers in Dima Hasao faced the ultimate challenge, nature's wrath. They were greeted by heavy rains on the way to the booth. They even had to remove fallen branches that had broken off during the storm to clear the path. Dealing with natural calamities is part of officers' training. However, it is a totally different thing to learn about it in the manual and handle it firsthand. But the officers in Dima Hasao were undeterred by the obstacles in front of them. They knew they had a job to do, and that would always take precedence above all else.
Around 12 o'clock, I got a call from the CO's office whether my polling parties have reached or not. There were 2 polling stations where I had no information. I spoke to the SP what happened to these people, and information I got back at around 12 o'clock at night that they are still tracking and they are reaching. And at that time it was raining so heavily. I am wondering that what type of difficulties these people were having while conducting their own duties. They were going through all the forest and difficult areas. So these are very difficult places to for a polling party to work, and they have done it very excellently.
पोलिंग पर्सनल और पुलिस पर्सनल को लेके इतना जंगल से हम लोग जा रहे हैं। अभी ये नेशनल ड्यूटी है तो जा रहे हैं। कल पोलिंग डे है हम लोग का, तो कोशिश कर रहा हूँ राइट टाइम में कल पोलिंग स्टार्ट करने के लिए हम लोग।
It is not an easy job, but the officers always go the extra mile for the voters. No matter how far or how inaccessible the locations, there will always be polling officials waiting to greet you when you visit your nearest polling booth to cast your vote. That you can be sure of.